Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to make a Mailchimp automation. This video is going to be quick and easy, so make sure to follow me in this video step by step. Now, first of all, to make an automation in Mailchimp, we need to create one. So click here to create, and as you can see right here, we have automations. Here, you will be able to create an automation, craft customizable, automated workflows that start when your contact meets specific conditions. Let's create an automation, and here let's name it something. I will simply name it automation video. Choose the starting points, and now they were gonna take us here. So, here, these starting points are popular with other Mailchimp customers. Let's choose one of them. For example, the automation that I want to do is whenever there is a customer that I have and his birthday has arrived, I want to send him a happy birthday email. So what I'm going to do, click on this one, and there we go. So when do I want this to be sent? Days before date, max 90 days. So I'm going to say here 5 days. So 5 days before his birthday, I want this email to be sent to him, and I want to add this field as birthday. Now you can filter who can enter this journey. I'm not. Save starting point. And here you can add the journey steps. I'm simply going to add send email. And of course, you have to work on the content of this email. For example, here, set the subject as happy birthday, schedule it in the date that you want, and the tracking and everything. Once you're done, you are simply going to click here as start free trial to continue, or basically if you had the premium version, you are going to click on start automation. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.